If you're wondering whether a girl you like is serious about your relationship, there are several signs to look for. A girl who is genuinely invested will communicate regularly and respond to your messages in a timely manner, showing that she values your connection. Pay attention to whether she remembers little details about your life, initiates deeper conversations, and expresses interest in your future goals, including topics like marriage and family. Additionally, she'll likely be supportive of your passions, seek to spend time together, and enjoy physical closeness, such as cuddling and holding hands. If she uses we instead of I when discussing plans, it indicates a shared vision for the relationship. Look for her willingness to make plans in advance, ask for your opinions on decisions, and even leave personal items at your place, which suggests she envisions a future together.